The Cutting Program Progress Monitoring Form is a fast, easy, and reliable way to collect quantitative data on cutting skills. The form enables recording of the date, line thickness of the snip or picture series, including squares, circles, complex curves, or angles, a brief description including the name of the picture and any short note, and the skill level. Skill levels are further divided into input and output. Input refers to the amount of assistance the therapist or teacher has to provide to make this a successful activity. Output refers to the quality of the child's performance. A key at the bottom of the form details the rubric used for scoring. The number code next to the description would be transcribed in the above box. Input includes the use of lead-in and lead-off lines. For instance, 1 indicates that lines will be drawn every time by an adult, 2 by the child, 3 only some of the lines are drawn by the adult, 4 only some are drawn by the child, and 5 no lead-in or lead-off lines are needed. Prompt frequency refers to whether prompting is needed continuously, 75% of the time, 50% of the time, a quarter of the time, or not at all. Prompt type indicates whether physical assistance is needed, or if the child responds to modeling, verbal cueing, visual samples, or none of the above. Sometimes several prompt types may be used, so the therapist would write a couple numbers. Output measures error length. If a child's cut line is 2 inches off the stimulus line, she or he would earn a 1. Between 1 to 2 inches earns a 2, 1/2 to 1 earns a 3, a quarter to 1/2 is a 4, and less than a quarter is a 5. Number of errors counts each time that white is visible on either side of the cut line. A 1 is given if more than 6 errors are present. Score 2 for 3 to 5 errors, 3 for 2 errors, 4 for 1 error, and 5 for no errors. Line quality refers to the jaggedness of the cut line. This is a subjective call, but if the cut form appears primarily jagged, it would earn a 1. If 75% of it was jagged, it would earn a 2. Half of it being jagged would be a score of 3, slightly jagged would be a 4, and a smooth cut line all around is a 5. The Cutting Program Progress Monitoring Form can be used many times.